Hey, hello, back with me, Beno, in my channel, and today I would like you to know that this is the shodo figure for the Seiya, and this was made by Bandai as well. But the problem about the DDP, the name of this lineup, is DD Panoramation, and the main problem is that they are already discontinued. Yeah, they all are discontinued without even ever completing the lineup. So there are 5 guys in Seiya. Yeah, Shun is a guy, and only 4 are being made. But actually there are 5 of them. One is prototype, and in the time they are being released, they never go to Cygnus, Hyoga. And some of the gold saints, not even 12 are being made. So this time, with some, I don't know, you call this third party or knock-off company, I don't know, this one called GM model, they focusing in Seiya, even the tall one, the SHF size, they made some accessories or the character that never been made by Bandai. So this one, they also made the DDP lineup with some gold saints, and of course this one is about Hyoga, Cygnus Hyoga, the final figure of this Saint Seiya, the bronze saint. Let's see the review only in Beno Arsanto channel. Oh yes, this is the box. This is the black box, not the one in the aviation. This is the really literally black box. You don't know which one character inside. You just pray that this one is the right figure. While you can see the sticker here called DDP, and maybe every seller in China must see what's inside this box in order for them to get the order right. Nothing you can see in the box, and we'll go to the unboxing. Let's just unbox this badass figure, and let's open from the side. And inside you will get, oh, you see this one, a blister and nothing else inside. So inside the box you will get some blister with plastic covering the figure. They are not in the same place, they are scattered away from the blister. And this is the accessories for this DDP Hyoga. This lineup from GM models, you will get one that the original Bandai didn't give you. Yes, this model are getting their own respective armor, their animal in an armor. either they have their animal or just some horoscope. They have their own base figure to put their armor on, but these armor are non-removable, and they also get 2 other faceplate other than the original in the figure, and the reserve for the ball joint head and hair, and a pairs of alternate hand. This is quite similar with the original figure from the Bandai in terms of the accessories, of course, except this one. In terms of the material, I'm not quite sure about the armor, whether they are in ABS plastic or it's a metal, but it's more like ABS plastics, a hard plastic for me. And they have PVC, the soft plastic one, in the hair. Yes, it's a kind of PVC. And for the rest of the figure, it's ABS, I think. This is a decent figure in terms of the painting. They got the painting job right. Even the blue in the body, the suit, and the armor is kind of metallic color, and the faceplate is also good in terms of printing. And there is some red touch here, and I am not complaining about the painting of this figure. And this one is the articulation for this figure. You will see that the head is moved freely because it has a ball jointed head, and the shoulder is made from a ball joint mixed with swivel joint, so you can move this up and down. But there is limitation because of the armor will restrict the arm to go 90 degrees. So this is the highest of this hand. This figure hand can going up. For the elbow, he has a ball jointed elbow, so he can move his hand freely, and there's a swivel joint on the hand. There's no ball joint on the chest, but there is ball joint actually, but it can only be swiveled for the belly, and there's a ball joint for the thigh, and you can move the armor up without any restriction to the thigh. This falls easily, so you must be careful, and it can go back. Then on the ankle you will have a ball joint, and actually this one is really disappoint me, because yes, it should be a working ball joint, but this isn't working at all. Yes, you can swivel this, but you cannot rotate or do anything, because this is like just a glute or already stationary. You cannot do anything with this ball joint. Yeah, it's stuck here. It's a dead end for this articulation. The miss articulation is actually only 25%. That's the cons of this figure. And this is the comparison of the figure of DDP, the complete set. You can see that Hyoga is the same head with the Seiya and soon also Iki Poinix, but of course Ryu is a little bit taller than their friends, so because I think he got longer legs in order to make him a little bit taller than the rest of the team. But this is the only way that you will get them completed. For the conclusion, this one is 50-50. You can say this is a good figure, but actually this one is not really in terms of the articulation. But actually you cannot complain because this one is the only choice you will have to complete your DDP, your Seiya Panoramation, or your shodo, Seiya shodo. You have no choices, you have no other choices, and you must swallow it with full of regret. But on the other hand, you will happy because your prey is being answered. They released this figure to complete your lineup. Even this is not a perfect figure, you must buy this figure because this is the only way we have this Seiya theme, the Super Sentai of anime. Okay, thank you for watching. May this video help you in making your decision. Bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.